guys, it's Matt here. Today's video is my dream desk build. This is part 1. Part 2 should be coming out later this month. This video will primarily be the assembly of the desk. So for the desk, I went to IKEA and I purchased 3 main components, which I will leave in the description. 2 of them are the Alex drawers and the Holostad countertop. I chose the 98-inch top, it's a little bit longer, and gave me more space. What I like most about it is that it's reversible, it's gray on one side and white on the other, and it has a brushed metal around the edges, so it gives you a really clean, polished look. I believe the total for all of this was about $270. I will leave links to each item in the description. Hope you like the way it looks when it's all finished. Now here's the rest of the time lapse. Hope you enjoy.